A plain door can be functional, but a mirror door adds light, space, and style. Today, we'll be discussing how to turn a boring closet door into a statement piece with a full-length mirror and simple trim. Start by measuring the surface of your hollow core door to determine the best mirror size. Opt for a frameless, lightweight mirror from the hardware store that fits neatly in the center panel. Before attaching anything, wipe the door clean and sand it lightly to improve adhesive grip. Mark the placement of the mirror using a level and painter's tape as a visual guide. With a strong adhesive designed for mirrors, apply beads to the back of the glass, avoiding the edges to prevent seepage. Carefully position the mirror and press it firmly onto the door. Painter's tape holds it in place while the adhesive cures. No screws, no brackets, just a clean install. To elevate the look, cut lightweight trim pieces and frame the mirror. Paint them to match your room decor, then attach them using finishing nails and construction adhesive. The result? A stylish, functional mirror door that reflects light, makes the room feel larger, and doubles as a daily outfit check station. Small project, big payoff. Whether it's for a bedroom, hallway, or closet, this is one upgrade that's both practical and beautiful. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more weekend-worthy DIYs. Remember, these DIY projects can be done by yourself, but your local door new can also do them for you. Visit our website to find a location near you. Stay tuned for more renewal content. We'll see you next time.